You had a vivid dream last night. Within 10 minutes of waking up, 90% of it was gone. That's not a memory problem. That's your brain running a deliberate chemical shutdown. Here's what most people believe. Dreams aren't stored because sleep scrambles memory randomly, or because the brain simply doesn't record dreams at all. That explanation feels logical. It's also wrong. Your brain is fully recording your dream. The images are real. The emotions are real. The story is playing out in complete detail. Something else is preventing those experiences from being saved. To understand what's actually happening, you need to know how memory works when you're awake. When you experience something during the day, a chemical called norepinephrine, your brain's alertness and encoding signal, floods key areas of your brain. It tells your hippocampus, the brain's filing system, to convert the experience into a long-term memory. Without that signal, the experience passes through, but never gets filed. Now, here's the contradiction. During REM sleep, the stage where almost all dreaming happens, your brain does something unusual. It shuts off norepinephrine almost completely. Not reduced, not dimmed, off. Your locus coeruleus, the small cluster of neurons that produces norepinephrine, goes quiet in a way it does at no other point in your life. This is where most people's model breaks down. The dream is vivid. Your brain is extremely active during REM, more active than during light rest. Electrical signals are firing, emotions are running, scenes are being constructed in real time. But the save signal is gone. Think of norepinephrine as the save command in a word processor. You can type a 10-page document, vivid, detailed, emotionally complex. But if you never hit save before the program closes, the file doesn't exist. REM sleep is your brain working for hours without its save key. The dream happens in full resolution. It just never gets written to disk. So why would your brain do this on purpose? This is where the detective logic lands. Researchers ruled out random memory scrambling. REM sleep actually strengthens certain memories from the previous day. The brain is selective, not chaotic. They ruled out low brain activity. REM is electrically intense. What remained was a norepinephrine gap. And it's not an accident. The leading hypothesis is that REM sleep uses the norepinephrine shutdown deliberately to allow emotional memory processing without permanently encoding every bizarre, frightening, or incoherent scenario your dreaming mind generates. You rehearse fears, run social simulations, process grief. Without those experiences being permanently stamped as real memories that compete with your waking ones. If REM sleep encoded dreams the same way it encoded real events, you'd wake up unable to separate what happened from what you dreamed. Here's the edge case that confirms the mechanism. On the rare mornings when you remember a dream clearly, you almost always woke up during or immediately after REM. That moment of waking triggers a brief spike in norepinephrine. If the spike happens fast enough, while the dream is still active in short-term memory, some of it gets encoded before the window closes. That's not a better memory. That's better timing. And there's one more layer. Certain antidepressants, specifically ones that raise norepinephrine levels, are known to suppress REM sleep entirely or dramatically reduce dreaming. That's not a side effect researchers had to explain away. It's a direct confirmation that norepinephrine levels during REM are the mechanism, not a correlation. Raise the chemical and the system changes. Every morning, you wake up is the end of a story your brain deliberately chose not to archive. And the only reason you remember any of it is because norepinephrine briefly spiked before you opened your eyes. If this surprised you, subscribe. We post a new body mystery every day.